Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat. The exterior color is white platinum, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter Ecoboost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have LED daytime lights, fog lights, 2 tow hooks, and engine block heater. Over at the side we have 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Goodyear. We also have chrome handles and mirror caps. This pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat also comes with remote start and keyless entry. At the rear we have privacy tint windows with embedded defroster, power lift gate, power window, a rear camera with reverse sensing system, and a trailer tow package. At the interior we have loads of driver-friendly features such as power locks, power windows, mirror settings, door storage, and 3 programmable seat options. Moving into the cabin, you can see that we have black leather seating with our adjustments on the side, including lumbar support. Over at our steering column, we have our headlamp settings, box and mirror light settings, and our pedal adjustments. We have a telescopic steering wheel with our cruise control settings to the left, and our hands-free and media settings to the right. Looking above, we have our rear view mirror, our cabin light options, as well as our beautiful moon roof settings. This unit also comes with 3 universal programmable garage door openers just located on the driver visor. Looking forward, you can see this pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat has 85,842 kilometers. Looking ahead at our center face, we have many options available such as audio, climate, phone, navigation, apps, and various settings. Just below we have our dual climate control area, which provides heat and air conditioning to the entire cabin. This unit also comes with cooled and heated seats for both passenger and driver to enjoy. Our middle console offers our gear shift, 2 USB ports, dual cup holders, and a ton of storage. At the rear, passengers have access to power windows, a ton of door storage, as well as our heated seat options just on the back. Our 60/40 bench seating allows for a ton of legroom and headspace. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat, do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.